Got Ralphie's whip over here. Little photo shoot for the day. Do you miss the Miata at all? No? Nope. I've been looking like after
Stop flying me up. 10 grand, I'll go buy 2 386 somewhere.
I ever tell you I had the chance of buying an A6 hatch? 600 bucks. Had flats and needed a new battery. Oh. And I passed up on it like an asshole.
Man.
What?
$4.
Ignore that. Wow, this thing, the idle's super smooth. Just chilling, no check engine lights.
It looks like it's over here.
And a beam swap. And this will be at final bout. Thompson. This thing's pretty cool. Some little details. Quick. Got my Black Mist Pro filter on just to help with the harsh light. There's that. How's the motor looking on this? Oh, bites lip.
Setup, that's it.
Let's turn her around and do some rear shots. It's always painful when people slam their hoods. I'm not ready for all that fender damage. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's cool. Try to avoid that. Oh, hello, natural diffusion. Especially when you're paying 10 grand for one. And a ground top. I still have no idea what the hell they are. Whatever you do, don't hit me, bro. So, going to move them around over here. I'm gonna have you stick to the shade. Less angle. Right there. Right. Bad enough the car's like... Yo, do me a favor, just for an owner shot, walk, get closer to the rail and keep doing what you're doing. That's fine. You guys can go.
I like to talk.
Oh.